We've been dealing with Laser Central for many, many years. We think since 2006, but it could well be longer than that. Their equipment is the latest innovation, which enables us to design our products in a way to suit their equipment and to benefit us as well.
Our customers care about the same things as we do. Basically, they want good quality product, robust solutions in their markets.
So Laser Central were able to offer us a larger diameter tube cutter than anyone else could offer. It's opened a lot of doors for the engineering side of things.
We can go to a number of different laser companies, but we choose Laser Central because they give us that little bit extra, that added value.
Well, Acceptance Group started doing business with Laser Central, I think around 1999, certainly within a year of them opening their doors. I think they're an ethical company. I think they value their people, they value their customers.
The important thing for us is to have reliability, a good service offer. You had flexibility at Laser Central to achieve the desired results in terms of the component lengths we needed, cut shapes that we needed, speed as well that we needed, and accuracy that we needed.
One of the things in the early days that attracted us was their knowledge of the automotive type production requirements. We supply basically OEMs in the form of caravan manufacturers, and it's important that our products are delivered on time, so we need suppliers that we can rely on. And Laser Central have got the facilities in place, they've got the infrastructure in place, and over the years they've proved that they can support us.
So one of the great things for me working with Laser Central is that they use my SolidWorks 3D model to cut from. I'm very confident when I give a file to Laser Central that the part I receive is going to be exactly what I modelled.
As well as the flat cut products, we use a lot of tube cut products as well from Laser Central, which gives us some great advantages in product design.
Laser Central they continually produce for us water treatment solutions like centerflows, milli screens, some of which have photographs on the walls.
It's very important for us to have strategic partnerships with our suppliers because they get involved in product design at the very earliest stages. And we find with Laser Central that the people there are more than willing to help us. In the early days they contribute to the design, they tell us what they can do, they tell us how we can tweak things, and then once the design comes into production we find that their support is really second to none. Would we recommend Laser Central to other manufacturers? Only if they're not competitors.